Hey guys, I'm here with our Pro Series MotoTurnz. These are LED turn signal inserts for Harleys. We've got bullet and flat style models available, so it'll fit any bike that Harley makes. With our Pro Series MotoTurnz, you still get a halo running light option, so all you halo fans out there don't have to worry. Take your magic magnet, which is included with your kit, tap it to the center of the lens and it will cycle to the next running light setting. You get 8 total running light settings for the front and rear kits. When you're ready to mix it up, or you don't want to look like everyone else at bike night with those white halos, just tap the center of the lens to customize your look. Now let's talk turn signals. Of course you get a normal looking turn signal, just as you would with those standard halo lights. But with our Pro Series MotoTurnz, you get so much more. Take your magic magnet, hold it to the lens for 3 seconds, and it will cycle the light to the next turn signal setting. You get 6 different turn signal settings for the front and 8 for the rear. My favorite is the shooting star. I'd tell you that's all you get with our Pro Series MotoTurnz, but I'd also be lying to you. For those of you that like safety, there is a built-in brake strobe setting. Just hold the magnet on the lens for more than 5 seconds to turn the brake flash on or off. And we all love bike night, right? The opportunity to ride down with our buddies to show off how much money we spent on our bike just to make sure it doesn't look like Joe's up the street. Well, we made a special mode just for you. We call it Bike Night Mode. Flip your ignition switch on and off within half a second, and this activates Bike Night Mode, a looping animation that plays your front and rear lights. No longer will your black street light get lost in the endless abyss of black street lights at the local bar, and your bike will be the center of the party once again. Our Pro Series MotoTurnz are available on the site now, so hop on over and order up. As always, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.